Welcome to 20x Online. To get all information about how to money online. The first app is Google Opinion app. This is all about your opinion on how the Google company should improve their service, and also it's full of consistency of surveys. The second one is the YouTube app. You can earn the greatest amount of money per month through YouTube. There are different people who earn greatest amount of money, like Mr. Beast, who earn more than 15 million per month dollars. The third app is Meesho app, in which the person has to buy and sell products is the function of Amazon. On those all you can make money and become the greatest billionaire in the world. Other app are like Swangbucks or All Surveys app, in which the person earn money through answering different surveys question. Inbox Dollars, it's also the app for surveys question, and it's only applicable in America. Others are like User Testing and Phobe app, in which the person has chance to sell pictures and earn money. And TaskRabbit, in which the person has got chance to answer questions involving lifestyle and earn money.